Jollibee, oh, pure gold. That's Manila, Paulo. It took the whole area there.
You know, your head is so big.
Yeah, shut up, Paulo. It's just my birthday yesterday. Why are you doing that to me?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, it's my birthday yesterday. Forgot.
Belated happy birthday.
Yeah. Heritage, oh.
Where?
Heritage, there, oh.
They can't see it, they ignored you. You suck.
We're approaching the airport now. Ah, runway 624.
Room for the pilot. You can see the front view.
Yeah, Manila, Paulo, there, oh.
Hey, we're landing.
We're landing na. There, oh. Yup, NAIA.
Wait, we're on the runway.
Yeah, we're on the runway. Manila Airport, Paulo, there, oh. NAIA.
Focus on the runway, fool.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at the NAIA International Airport. And we are now taxiing towards NAIA Terminal 3 for a proper disembarkation. Welcome to Manila. Time now for your convenience is 55 minutes past the hour of 12 in the afternoon. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Refrain from standing as a sudden application of the brakes may cause you to fall and injure yourself. Do not remove your carry-on baggage from the overhead storage bins until the aircraft has come to a full stop and you have been given permission to disembark. Before deplaning, please ensure to check your seating area for any hand-carried items you might leave behind. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, take precaution when retrieving your carry-on baggage from the overhead storage bins. The items may have shifted during the flight and may fall and injure you or the passengers seated around you. On behalf of Captain Eligier, First Officer Flores, your cabin crew Randy, Vera and Betsy, this is Jess thanking you for flying with Airphil Express and Philippine Airlines. It was a pleasure having you on board and we hope to see you again soon in any of your future flights. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay.
There, Manila na, Paulo.
Is this aircon?
Yes. It's an aircon. The aircon.
In compliance with Philippine Civil Aviation regulations, safety guards, life vest under the seats, and infant life vest are provided in the cabin. Bringing down of such items constitutes theft and is punishable by law. Kindly leave these items in its compartment for the benefit of our next passengers. We would like to remind all passengers claiming their checked-in baggage to ensure baggage tags match the numbers in your claim stubs, as most bags look alike. You may claim your check-in baggage at the arrival area, belt number 6.
Hello. Hello.
Resorts World,
For
oh.
passengers who have requested for special assistance, please deplane last for proper endorsement by our cabin crew to our ground staff. Passengers who requested for wheelchairs at point of origin will be given priority among those who requested for special assistance.
I was there last year, Paulo.
Okay.
This is the airport where I left that terminal.
Attention to all passengers who have connecting flights with Philippine Airlines. You may avail your free shuttle service at the arrival area gate number 4. Once again, you may avail your free shuttle service at the arrival area gate number